AI is proving to be a powerful ally in overcoming many of these challenges. By learning from vast data sets, from design libraries, sensor data, maintenance logs, and more, AI models can generate novel solutions to optimize processes in ways humans might miss. Aerospace and defense. From design to maintenance, reinvented. In aerospace, generative AI enables breakthrough designs that meet rigorous standards. Airbus and Boeing are already using Gen AI to streamline aircraft design cycles, allowing engineers to bring new models to market faster and achieve fuel efficiency gains with lighter parts. Airbus's bionic partition, a cabin divider designed with generative algorithms, was 45% lighter than a traditional partition, while meeting all safety requirements. Such weight reduction helps airlines save fuel and cut emissions, a critical win for sustainability. Gen AI algorithms analyze sensor and performance data to predict issues before they occur, enabling predictive maintenance that minimizes unplanned downtime. In spacecraft and defense, AI can simulate mission scenarios or even generate new materials for extreme environments. The impact is safer operations and more agile development, essential as companies push for hypersonic flight and space exploration. Aerospace leaders now view Gen AI as key to meeting the industry's twin demands of innovation and safety. Let's look at industrial equipment and machinery. Engineering at lightning speed. For industrial machinery makers, Gen AI is accelerating engineering work that used to take months. Today, groundbreaking companies like Eaton are using Gen AI to run thousands of design iterations in minutes, automatically proposing optimized designs that meet cost, material, and performance specs. Eaton's digital design team reports cutting product design times from months to minutes, according to their global technology manager. The payoff has been huge. One project reduced a heat exchanger's weight by 80%, and another slashed a component design time by 87%. These kinds of gains speed up R&D and let manufacturers respond faster to market and customer needs. Let's look at automotive and heavy equipment, driving lighter, smarter designs. The automotive sector is embracing AI to reinvent vehicle engineering. A hallmark example is General Motors' use of AI-driven generative design for a simple and yet important part, a seatbelt bracket. Using Autodesk's Gen AI tools, GM engineers input their requirements and let the AI generate over 100 design alternatives. The winning design was a single 3D printed piece that replaced an assembly of 8 parts and came out 40% lighter and 20% stronger than the original bracket. This one improvement not only cut weight, boosting fuel efficiency or EV range, but it also simplified the supply chain by consolidating parts.